Hey guys, my name is Christy and this is the lesson 23rd grade worksheet for Y-Log. So the first worksheet asks us to find the missing value from the equation. So if we look at number 1, we're given the numbers 11, 5, and 6. So we see 11, 5, 6, 11, 5, 6 in these two equations. So in the third equation, we have to use the same numbers in order to have the same sum or the same difference. So as you can see, there's 11 and 5, but there's no 6, which means that the missing blank would have a 6. And you can double check by doing 11 minus 6 equals, what does 11 minus 6 equals? It equals 5, which shows that you are correct. Let's try number 11. So we have 32 plus 16 equals 48. 48 minus 16 equals 32. What is 48 minus blank equals 16? So basically what you do is you look to see 32, 16, and 48. And we have 48 and 16 here, which means that 32 will go in the blank. And then we check 48 minus 32. 8 minus 2 is 6, 4 minus 3 is 1, and it's 16, which shows that we are correct. Now the second worksheet is multiplication, so let's try number 3. So it says 3 times 9, and basically what multiplication is, it's saying you're grouping these numbers into different groups. So there's 3 groups of 9 or 9 groups of 3, it doesn't really matter. I'll do 3 groups of 9, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, 3. So there's 3 groups of 9 each, and we're just gonna count all the small circles. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. So your answer is 27. So that's like all of them. Let's try 2 times 4, 2 groups of 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and we're going to count all the small circles. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and your answer is 8. Let's try one last one. Number 20. So 12 times 5. So we can do 5 groups of 12 or 12 groups of 5. It doesn't really matter. But this one we can also do long multiplication, so I'm going to show you that. 12 times 5. The smaller number always goes in the bottom when you're multiplying. And so you start from right to left. So 5 times 2 is 10. And you bring the 1 up to the tens place. 1 times 5 is 5, plus 1 is 6. So your answer to 12 times 5 is 60. Okay, now addition. So we'll try number 1, 65 plus 13. 65 plus 13. So 5 plus 3 is 8, and 6 plus 1 is 7. So your answer is 78. So you always start from right to left, just like multiplication. Let's see, so number 15. So we have 415 plus 15. So we're always going to align it on the left so that the ones are in the same place and the tens are in the same place and the hundreds are in the same place. So bigger number on top, smaller number on bottom. 5 plus 5 is 10. So you bring the 1 to the tens place. 1 plus 1 is 2, plus 1 is 3, and 4 plus nothing is 4. So your answer to 415 plus 15 is 430. Let's try one more. 92 plus 22. So number 17. We have 92 plus 22. So 2 plus 2 is 4. 9 plus 2 is 18. So your answer would be 184. Okay, last, word problems. Sally has a total of 26 baseball cards to sell. She is able to sell 14 of the cards to Sammy. How many cards does Sally have left to sell? So she originally has 26, and she sells 14 of the cards to Sammy. So she subtracts 14 from her collection, So what's 26 minus 14? 6 minus 4 is 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. So your answer should be 12 cards left. Don't forget to label your units. So units would be cards in this case. Number 2, Mark has 10 buttons. He buys 6 more from the store but loses 3 of them. How many buttons does he have left? So Mark has originally 10 buttons and he buys 6 more from the store. So 10 plus 6, 0 plus 6 is 6, 1 plus nothing is 1. He loses 3 after he buys the 6 more, so 16 minus 3. 6 minus 3 is 3, 1 minus nothing is 1. So your answer should be 13 buttons left. The units in this case would be 13 buttons. Johnny shares his candy evenly with his 10 friends at school. He has a total of 50 pieces of candy. If he gives out all of his candy evenly to his friends, how many does each friend get? So he has a total of 10 friends and he has a total of 50 pieces of candy. So in this case, we would do 50 divided by 10. In other words, 10 divided by, so it would be 50 divided by 10 like this. How many times does 10 go into 50? It goes into 55 times, which means that your answer should be 5 pieces each. 5 pieces each would be your answer. For number 4, Amber has made 600 different kinds of earrings to sell on Etsy. 1/2 of the earrings are gold, 1/4 are silver, and the rest are multicolored. How many gold earrings does she have? So when we're looking at this question, we can ignore the fact about the silver and about the rest because they're asking how many gold earrings does she have. So we only have to focus on this number and this number. So we are trying to find 1/2 of 600. So how you do this is you just divide 600 by 2. So how many times does 2 go into 6? 3. 3 times 2 is 6. 0, bring down the 0. 0, 0, 2 times 0 is 0. Bring down the 0. 2 times 0 is 0. So you have 300, which would be your answer because it's half of 600. 300 gold earrings would be your answer. 300 gold earrings. Okay, so I hope you understand everything now and have a great rest of the week. Bye!